Have you ate anything weird recently? Is anything going on? Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, don't pay no... Okay, Ooh, there's some scratch action. Ooh, some scratch action. Okay, ma'am, here's the thing, right? Here's what you got going on. You got some scratches. Ooh, that cough sounds bad. You got some scratches and you got a cough, okay? I didn't kill the last guy, so it would be unfair to kill you. Just go to the quarantine, I'll check up on you.
I'll do anything. Just test me again.
Ooh, that's ooh. Next!
Next survivor.
You can trust me.
Can I?